Brush the tops and brush the bottoms. Brush, brush, brush. Don't forget your tongue. Yum, 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 yum. Front teeth, back teeth, round we go. Little circle moves, nice and slow. Yay! Top teeth, bottom teeth, side to side. Open wide and brush with pride. Open wide and brush with pride. Brush, brush, sparkle, smile. Brush, brush, sparkle, smile. Round and round for a little while. Time and roll. Top and bottom, front and back. Flap, back, ack. Brush each tooth and stay on. Add some scratch, add. Brush bright, clean and bright. When do we brush our teeth? Morning time and bedtime night. Paw. Brush, 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 brush. Spit, rinse, wipe, big smile too. Healthy teeth. Healthy teeth are shining through. Fresh and bright, sparkle, smile. Brush each day. Shine all night. Cavicles beware, we're a sparkling crew. Don't scrub hard, go soft and slow. Gentle little circles help teeth glow. Yay! Brush the left side, brush the right. Make each tooth feel fresh and bright. Yay! Now don't forget your tongue today. A gentle brush keeps smells away. When do we brush? Let's sing and say. In the morning to start the day. Before we sleep at bedtime too. Brush those teeth. Good job, you! After snacks, ask a grown-up near. They can help and keep things clear. Brush with care, don't rush away. Yay! Clean little smiles are on the way. Clean little smiles are a cafe. Clean little smiles are on the way. Brush, 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 sparkle, smile. Up and round this sparkle little swile. Round and round for a little while. Round and round for a little while. Top and bottom, front and back. Round and round for a little while. Round and round for a little while. Brush, 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 clean and bright. Morning time and bedtime, night, night. Spit, rinse, wipe, big smile too. Healthy teeth are shining through. Tiny circles, sparkle, smile.